The American University in Cairo welcomed graduate students from outside the university in the Graduate Open House event on 10th of September 2022, in which they could attend the event, meet with the faculties, admission advisors, students from AUC graduate programs, and know more about scholarships, financial aid, and the different graduate studies.
My name is Ali Al-Husseini, and I'm currently a master's student at the Global Public Health and Human Ecology Institute. This is my second year here at the AUC, and I was very happy to know that the open house, the graduate open house, is back finally to campus, because in the last 2 years it was virtual. So I was very happy to know that this year we'll host the open house both virtually and on campus, so the new students get the chance to see how our campus look like and have rounds, take the sessions, and know everything that they need to know. So as for the number of students that we were expecting, there was a great turnout. Actually, we found a lot of students coming today.
So it was a great opportunity for students who want to think about their future studies to attend this event. This year the event was so special, as it is the first time the university held that event after COVID-19 pandemic. The registration for the event was very easy, through a link on AUC website.
But they want to be able to do their work better, so they come, or they want to establish a non-profit organization, or any type of community-based organization. If you want to work on transformative change, you want to change the...
Good morning, I am Kazim Lesi. I am engineering graduate from Ain Shams University, and I have a bachelor degree in materials engineering, and I was interested in joining mechanical engineering Master of Science, and I came here today to find out more about programs and courses, all of that. It was a nice day, and I have all I need from information from professors I meet here, from colleagues from my university, and it was a nice day.
I am able to enter the executive MBA.
No, they are totally separate. Totally separate. This does not depend on this one. It's
Hi, my name is Eman. I'm the Senior Manager for Graduate Student Recruitment. This is our open house today. We've been holding this open house for the past 6-7 years. During the times of COVID, we were holding it online, but actually the original open house is being held face-to-face on campus. Usually you have around 200 to 300 students. They are all prospective graduate students trying to find more information about graduate studies, how to apply to AUC, what are the different fellowship and financial aid opportunities. And we're happy to be back on campus, and we're happy that our prospective students can check out our campus again.
There were various sessions for each faculty for students to attend and know more about the courses of the different programs and interact with the faculty members.
Sorry?
Can I ask why any official work experience during my period at university doesn't count?
The place was well organized, and there were a place where students can meet, talk, and had a snack and a cup of coffee. Eman Elsayed, AUCTV, Cairo.